Welcome everyone. We're back. Hi. All right. Sorry, just a quick phone call. Real quick, just before the market open. All right, I'm here. Sorry, everyone. So let's see what happened. Whew. What a trade this was. Look at that. Managed to go into that area. I exited 2 times at break even. Then I re-entered down there to another long. And managed to climb my way back to that 22,045 that we were talking about earlier. So previous day high at 59 will be the next target. 90% sure that it should be breaking that level. But what happens after that? No one knows. No one knows. Anyway, how's everybody doing? Oh, I guess I'm just alone. All right. That's fine. That's okay. All right. All right, not that one. Not that one. I have to close so many tabs here. Just slowing down my computer. Hold on. What is this? Okay. Oh my god, so many unnecessary tabs are open. Totally. Just a second. All right. Mamba folks, hey there. Hey Mamba folks, what's going on? 59 should be taken out now. Hopefully. Hopefully. It's pretty close. Pretty darn close. I might have to, or I might want to put on a new chart here. Which is gonna be, I'm gonna put on the MyFundedFutures. No, sorry, Take Profit Trader chart right there. All right, I might take a few trades on Take Profit Trader. We'll see. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. All right, it's fine. The day looks bullish, yeah. But oh yeah, juicy levels down there. I agree. Some very, very juicy ones. 100% agree with that. But it all depends. I mean, yeah, we have some very juicy levels. For example, we took out Asia low here in London, and I'm just gonna put this here. The open of this candle at 2:50 a.m. is 91.25. So this level, I'm eyeballing with this 91.25 if, and that's a big if it wants to turn around and go down. That would be a level I like to break. Actually, the low of the day, which would be London low, would be something really, really nice to go with as sell side liquidity. I would call this London low. And that's it. And this would be the entry for the zone. 91.25. That's what I like. Ion Voida, üdvözöllek, servus. Hello, Ion Voida. Can you show the account balance live? It gets easier to understand the size of the trade. Sure. Let me find which account should we see. This is Friday, and I'm not sure I want to trade on my funded accounts. So here are some of the accounts. This MyFundedFutures account I managed to make. This is a new account, $214. There's a Bulenox account here that is up 1,224, but I haven't traded on it. The Apex accounts, this one is up 3,339, 2,623, almost 2,700. This account, and this one is $2,840. So what I'm thinking to do is I might going to go on with a brand new take profit trader account evaluation, and it will be still enough to I mean, I don't want to mess around too much with my fundeds today, but you know, I'm pretty much in the green. I don't want to mess up my mind for the weekend, and I made a good trade on the new instant funded account. I purchased the MyFundedFutures milestone account, so I'm up more than $400. You know, I want to keep that feeling. I want to keep that motivation for next week, so I might going to work on take profit trader accounts today. Maggie, hey there. Morning train went to break even. Oh guys, you guys should look at this. Like, here's my Twitter. Anyway, I missed my TP with one tick, and then I re-entered, and then I managed to take a full TP on 44 earlier. It was quite a ride. But anyway, we're about to go into the market open. Trader Monk, üdvözöllek, servus. Good morning, Vietnam. Hello, Kirk. Let's see the open. Few seconds to go. Switching to 1 minute, so it's more exciting. We should be breaking 59, by the way. Yeah, keep the good vibes. So today could be a check, could be choppy. 59 should be broken. Just saying. I wouldn't be surprised on 59. Just be careful. Be careful. I think everybody wants to go long, but 59 should be broken. If you guys want to risk it for the biscuit, it's up to you. But, you know, it could be dangerous. So it can just go down, squeeze the longs, and then... It happened many times before. I know it's hard to resist the temptation. I know. You see? It's going down. It might go down to the gap. Squeeze some more. And then maybe turn around. So be careful. Be careful. Which platform? I'm using Quantower. This is TradingView, what you see here, but this right here is Quantower. This is Quantower. My screen is cropped, but this is Quantower. So be careful. All right. Welcome, Ness, by the way. So seemingly it wants to go higher, but again, this could be a trick, a tricky move. You see how tricky it is? Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's reaching for liquidity down there below the 30. Very, 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 very difficult to trade this. Almost the same situation as yesterday. Oh, it's reaching even lower. Maybe it can go down to 0.6. Well, it didn't go for the high up there, which is interesting. Now it seems like it might want to go for that that 0.7. I'm not sure. Yeah, look at that. It wants to reach for that. Repriced the 15-minute candle though. So that's kind of an interesting scenario there. It might not go down, but better to be careful. Seems like it's doing the old trick in the book. Just going sideways, maybe. Anyway, we're following this closely. Almost the same situation that was yesterday. I'm not going to do anything on the funded accounts. I'm basically hoping that we will see something so I can take a trade on the take profit trader accounts. Where is it? Here it is. And I'm not going to scalp it for now. There are some very, very good levels down there. This one is the first fair value gap. Here. Let's see if it's going to inverse this gap or is it going to be a rejection. I might jump in on a short on the take profit trader. Jumped in on a short on take profit trader with 2 micros as the probe trade. This is kind of like a scalp, not even have a stop loss on it yet. Only on a take profit trader evaluation for now. If it will switch to the upside, I'm going to target the 59. So I'm just going to put a line up there to 59. Oops, sorry. To 59, and I'm going to wait and see what happens. I don't care if I lose this trade. I'm 100% fine with losing this one. Actually, the big trade that I'm looking for would be the break of the highs up there. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's doing this with me all day. All day, NASDAQ. All day. All right. All day. All night. Oh, NASDAQ. Oh, NASDAQ. Oh, this is just Jesus Christ. Almost too funny. Almost too funny. 59.49. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna put this here. Just in case if it would break higher. That would be a plan. With 15 micro, I don't have time to switch now. For a quick scalp. Alright, I get it. Alright, NQ. NQ. You cannot get me. You cannot get me, NQ. Oh. I totally forgot to enter the Discord here. There you go. Deleting those orders. Going down, look at that. It actually going down to that area which we talked about, the 991. Interesting. But then it has to break the London low 971. And we have news, right? So we have PMI numbers in 6 minutes. So, and home sales at 10 p.m. Sorry, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. So, look at this. It's going up, going up. I'm not in a trade. I'm gonna let you guys know if I enter anything, but I'm not in a trade yet. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay, so the first fair value gap, seemingly, it's holding price. But if this one is inverting, I might gonna jump in to a possible long position. I don't want to go crazy on this, but if we close above, I'm gonna go for the 59. You know, just to sweep that high. All right. I should have waited for the close. Target 57.75. I'm gonna put a stop here for now. I don't really want to see it trade back down there to the below like 25. This should be a good inversion to take out the 57. Yeah, I know. This is the evaluation account, and this is only 5 micros. So, just a minute. I'm gonna put out the balance in a second. In a second. Uh-oh. Too bad. Down $94 overall. Which is fine. News are coming in 30 seconds. Let's see the news. Let's see the news. Oh, there you go. There you go. So we took out the high, which is great, and we still have 10 a.m. news. We still have the 10 a.m. news. All right, we might gonna hover around here on this level. There is a gap down there, which I really like. Would be great to cover some losses. I'm gonna hit the kill switch if needed. Again, this is evaluation account, so with no daily loss limit. Yeah, that was absolutely a tricky one. Please do not do this. What I'm doing is actually crazy. We can absolutely pop higher. Oh yeah, damn it. I thought we're just gonna quickly reprice that gap. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Oh, I guess it's gonna happen. NQ is taking advantage of me right now. Okay, down $244 on this brand new evaluation account. Let me put this out. Where is it? Balance. Here it is. That's it. So that's the account currently. Yeah, we're gonna wait. No more crazy stuff until we're not cleared. How far are we? Can we still go higher? $41. Okay, that's $31.25. All right. All right. Just to make sure we're not missing the action, I put a sell stop at 41.50 if it starts to drop down there. You know. Let them out. Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna wait for that. All I need is 10 points down there to reach that gap. So I entered a sell stop, as you can see. Nothing special. $280. Oh, awesome. That's nice. That's a very, very, very good result. That's very good. 8 minutes and we are in the macro, so could be interesting to see what happens here. Going higher. There's buy side liquidity. Oh wow, yeah. We're not too far. Totally forgot that. That we have the daily fair value gap above 100. So, all right. I might going to delete the order here. It could be pushing that way. And what's up there? That's nothing. The 4-hour. No, it's just the fair value gap. Okay, nothing. Nothing. It's just the fair value gap. It can very well be. You know, it's Friday, so it's Friday. Anything can happen on a Friday. And obviously, everybody is waiting for the Friday rally. Do you use the 15-minute opening range price? No, no consistent trader. I know that many of the people are using the 15-minute opening range, or it kind of like popular nowadays because some big YouTubers are using it. I'm not using it, but I mean ICT has something about it, but I never really looked into it that much. I still have that sell stop down there. But I'm not really using that. Oh no, what happened to the screen here? I have to put this higher. Right there. Maybe what I can do. Like this. Okay, should be better. So let's wait for the news. And until the news comes, I'm gonna check something. I'll be right back in a minute. Push the like and subscribe. I'll be right back. I am sorry. I'm here. So what happened? Oh yeah, the sell stop actually activated, so we're back to profit. That's good. I still don't know if this one wants to go down or not. We are very close. What is ES doing? I think ES wants to push it higher. All-time high is super close. Not sure. But NQ is also... I'm not sure. I don't know. A little bit tempted to go for a possible short on this. 2 micros maybe at 41. I put a sell stop with 2 micros at 41. Actually, make it 3 micros. 3 micros at 41. And partial profit would be at 92.50, but it's not taking it so far. It doesn't really want to take it. It's not taking it. All right, my OBS has officially gone crazy. Not gonna take it. The 5-minute candle is gonna close in 34 seconds, so there might be a chance that it's taking it on the 5-minute. All right, here's the new 5-minute candle. Could be reaching for liquidity. Oh, just a second. Okay, so we might be reaching for that level. Just a second. Still didn't go for the trade. Still didn't go for it. It actually picked up liquidity from the 5-minute gap there. So I'm a little bit annoyed, but what can we do, right? I'm still gonna leave it. That would have been the 50% level on the retracement. I'm gonna move it down a little bit, just here, to 38.50, just in case it wants to pick up liquidity, and then we'll see. If it's not going for it, this could be a continuation higher. I mean, if it's not gonna drop after picking up that level. It's not going for it. It was very close and didn't go for it. The target could have been the London low. It's gonna go for it, man. It's gonna go for it. No, I don't look for the ATR. Yeah, it might be. I mean, it's nothing wrong with the ATR. Just saying, but I'm not really looking at it. This one is very heavy. I think it's gonna fall and take out the 900. All right, entering a scalp here. Sorry, not 900, 22K. Don't even have a stop on it yet. Also, I might re-enter. But if it goes above the 30s, it might gonna pick up my order at 38. Feels heavy to test that 22K. Hi, hey Richard. Possible that Quant Tower is delayed with CFD NAS 100. Not sure, maybe. I never really tried NAS 100 on Quant Tower. Maybe you have to subscribe for some data. I'm not sure, Richard. Never tried it. Never tried it. Never tried it. But my bias, I can tell that the short-term bias is to go down to the zone at 991, maybe take out London low, and then go and make a new high. That would be the game plan. All right. So we have this one. Bouncing off from 22K. bouncing off from this 22k. My level, what I'm looking is the 991 because of this candle from London, which created the London low. A bearish candle, pushing it higher, creating new structure, has not been taken out at 971. So the zone has been mitigated so far here and here 3 times. And that's why I'm thinking if it goes down again, then with the small position, I might enter here. 2 micro. 2 micro. I'm gonna hold it until 971. Limit down at 97. Actually, make it 972. And the stop should be somewhere up there. If it goes above 29-ish, then it should be picking up liquidity on the upper fair value gap. And this here is in the first fair value gap since the open. So I'm targeting the London low. Just to be safe, on the mini, the low was... which one was the low? This was the low? Oh my god. Okay. On the mini, we actually took it. Uh-oh, that's not good. The mini already took it. What is happening? No, it didn't. Sorry. I'm crazy. 71.75. Sorry, I messed up the chart. That's why I didn't see it. The low is 71.75. 71.25. So 72.50 would be my final TP for this. If it breaks lower than 94.50, moving my stop lower. Otherwise, I'm leaving this in case if it wants to inverse the first fair value gap. Supham, hey there, welcome. What's going on, Supham? Nice to see you. All right. Let's see. Looking for some courses on weekend. Awesome. What kind of courses? Alright, slowly approaching. Asia low has been actually taken out, so I'm gonna just get that off there. London low is still there. Trading courses. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Well, there's so many out there. So many. You know, make sure not to fall into analysis paralysis. So far, it's not going for the low. Oh, he is. Hey, Pip Hunter. He is on the same trade. He's copying me, I know. He's copying me. Tell him not to copy me, please. Okay? It's a bit of a rude thing that he's copying me, alright? or you know, I can teach him some moves in trading. Methodical man. So let me just show you guys until we're waiting that I am actually waiting for 4 payouts from Apex here. Look at that. Everything is under review. 740, 598, 523, 1,239. So I'm waiting for 4 payouts currently. At least 2 of them are definitely gonna get denied. At least 2 of them. The first, the biggest one, and the 740. These 2 ones, I think I have a chance to get it. But the last, so 2 of them are definitely gonna get denied. So I don't mind. I'm just gonna keep building them. So Alex, hey there. All is good. I went over. I was on tilt, and I went over the 30% drawdown limit. So it's a soft breach. I clearly remember having a trade that went over $1,000 in drawdown. Actually, it was $1,100 in drawdown, and I was lucky because it turned around. But still, I was not closing it because I was on tilt. I said, all right, no problem. As soon as I can get a payout, I'm going to request it. I'm going to reset the cycle. Basically, that's the purpose I'm requesting. I'm resetting the cycle, and I'm going to continue with proper risk management from this time. And the good thing, you know, in the good news and the bad news is that I can still keep on building the profits. So next time I'm gonna be aiming to get at least $1,500 or $2,000 payout. So, and that is actually very good. That would be the goal. 1 or 2 accounts. So the 2 small accounts should be able to get approved, but we'll see. Looking for buys or sells. I'm new. Hey Ricky, first of all, thank you for joining. I'm in a sell position right now, looking to take out London low 972 actually. That's what I'm looking for. But I think since everybody is looking for that, I wouldn't be surprised if this one would just turn around, squeeze everybody, and go for buy side at 22 111. So everybody wants to go short, and even Methodical Man is short. He's just copy trading me because, you know, I don't know why, but everybody's short, and that's why the market is gonna squeeze everyone. So I'm trading this on a Take Profit Trader account. So I mean, it's a new test account with Take Profit Trader, and we'll see how it goes. You know, we'll see how it goes. Looking for highs to be taken. Well, I think we have a chance. Right now, the more time we spend here during this power hour, this is not power hour, sorry, silver bullet hour, the more likely that it might just gonna turn around. Are you on Tradeaway or Rhythmic? I'm on Rhythmic, and I connect with Quant Tower, but I'm on Rhythmic. I am probably from the only ones that are searching for longs because price is holding. Yeah. And I agree with you. If I see this one turning with up close candles and displacements, I'm gonna be targeting the 22,094s and even higher, basically the 22,100s. That's what I'm gonna target. And look at that. This is a clear sign that the more time it goes sideways, the more likely it's gonna turn. I mean, yeah, it can just take the elevator and boom, but when it does this, it's actually not a good sign. It's not a good sign. And by the way, today is the last day to get the discount from TickTickTrader for the instant funded account. Currently, the cheapest instant funded account, cheaper than Tradeify. I mean, not cheap, but cheaper. $369 with the discount code TomSabo250. It gives you a $250 discount. You can get a $100,000, 100K Tradeaway, NinjaTrader, or Project X instant funded account from TickTickTrader. Just saying. Flash sale ends today. Instant. There's no 50K account, just saying. Only 100K, which is a discount code right now. Anyway, you know what I mean. And it's for NinjaTrader, Tradeaway, or Project X. No Rhythmic connection for those accounts or CQG. And so far, I think Take Profit Trader really stepped up with deleting the daily loss limit. I think they're absolutely competing with everybody. Okay, this is the thing that I was afraid of. Like, it will lure everybody into the shorts, and now, you know, we're still in this congestion zone. It's just gonna turn and go to the upside, which is no problem. Let's look at some targets up there. Yeah, I can already see that this one is, yeah. I might even close this trade. Up close candle, no. But it technically shifted structure. And we're getting back to maybe to the first fair value gap there. Yeah, I'm think I'm gonna close this. And I'm gonna reverse my position here. I don't know. I don't know. I know. It's just an evaluation. Why am I? Why do I care? Why do I care? Let's just go on with the plan. Yeah, this could be turning, man. I don't know. It's not enough for me yet. And I don't want to be left out from the rally. I like this long. This is I so want to take this long position now. I'm gonna go flat and just take the long. I'm gonna change it. All right, I don't care. I changed my bias here. I went long. Tell methodical man, please don't copy trade me. All right. I'm going long. That's it. We're going long. We are breaking the highs now. Everybody want to get in the short. Awesome. But we're smarter. We're going long. Am I talking to myself or what? I'm gonna have to go into another chat here. You're short, bro. All right. I'm long, bro. We go right. Go right. I will. I will. Hey, Kirk. You're long too, but entered too early. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right, modified my TP to 6950, but I wanted to see some speedy recovery here. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna get taken out from this one. No problem. Why is it always happening with me? Why is it always happening? Seems like we are going to break that London low. Rookie mistake from me. Rookie mistake. I shouldn't have done it. Yeah, we're gonna go down. Oh man, we're gonna go down. All right, I might close this. Save me some dignity here. Yeah, I'm closing it. Closed it. Closed it. Now the lows are. Oh, look at that. Look at that. London low 71.25. I was offside too early. Oh. Well, at least I saved some of the profits. I saved some of the profits. I'm thinking to jump into a scalp here. I jumped into a scalp. Trying to target jumped into a short. Bro, let's take out the London low. Let's take out that London low. Oh, it's getting not too good now. What about the macro? Still didn't break the, what's the level? 71, 72 would be that level. Gotta go through the 80s. Not sure though. Come on, bro. Let's go. All right, I'm closing it. Scalped it. Oh, you guys didn't see the trade. I entered with 1 mini 10 micros actually here. Closed it manually. I made, I don't even know how much, like 140-ish dollars. My finger was on the flat button. Sorry, you didn't see that. 72 would be the level that I'm looking for. London low. London low. There you go. That's the level. Is this not micro scalping? How much was it? I entered somewhere here, 99. It was over 8 points. It was like 8 points or something, and I was holding the trade for more than 6 or 8 seconds. I was in it for like 15 or 20 seconds. So this is not considered micro scalping. At least MyFundedFutures, for example, saying if you're holding the trade longer than 6 or 8 seconds and or you're going for more than 6 or 8 points on NQ, that's fine. Even if you, for example, hold the trade for 20 seconds and if you close the trade with like only 2 points, that could be considered as okay because the trade didn't go into your way, and that's not micro scalping. So one of the two criteria has to be there. Either you have to hold the trade for more than 8 seconds, or you have to go for at least, if you're just, going there, for example, you're closing it in 2 seconds or 3 seconds because it's heavily dropping, you have to go for more than 8 points, I think. But they still let this go. They said, if you have a few trades like this here and there, 1 or 2, it's fine. Worst case scenario, they're gonna send you an email that, hey, this is a warning, please do not micro scalp. On the Discord, they said they're specifically looking for those individuals who are using algorithms for micro scalping or just abusing the system, whatever, like constantly just in and out, But if they see a healthy equity curve with trades and then there's 1 or 2 here and there, it's okay. So it's not gonna violate the rules. So that's what they said on Discord. You made 1K on demo last week doing that. Anyway, I'm really pissed on the prop firm against this. I finally found the edge. I know how you feel, and I understand. I understand totally. So, yeah, I know. I know. I know. And it's really hard to say like, okay, which one is the good practice to go with. For example, I want to enter a short now. It's 91. I should be holding it for 81. You know what? Why not try it? Go in with like 3 micros and hold it until, I don't know, 91. I'm gonna go here. I think it should be taking the low anyway. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna hold it all the way down there. It's only 3 micros. If it starts to switch to the upside, I'm just gonna kill it. I don't even know. I'm gonna risk like $100 on it. Still okay. It's still alright. It's still alright. Looking for that 72. Taking profit at 74. This is considered scalping in my understanding, what I do, because I'm just looking for small targets. Obviously now I'm not violating micro scalping rule because I'm holding this trade for longer. But this could be a switch to the upside, maybe. I'd like to see that. The macro is coming in less than 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes. That's why I told you guys I'm much more aggressive on evaluation accounts. But come on, take it out. Take it. Just take it. Take out that stop. Come on, man. Don't tease me with this. Just get... Okay, finally. So I'm much more aggressive. Actually, I might even enter long here. And go for those highs up there. Enter the long. And looking for 48 for now. Looking for 48. Supply area, minor, not that important. If we trade above the first gap, that would be an extra confirmation, and then maybe, you know, we can go for 77 and higher to the 100s. We could see a bullish rally maybe after lunch hour or during the lunch hour. So we have the macro in about 2 minutes. This could be switching sides here. I mean, we have statistical chance for it, but if not, then not. So what can we do, right? And don't forget, this gap here has not been repriced originally, so this 1 minute gap has been left alone up there totally. I'm gonna put this here. Oh my god. So that one up there. Oh no. Are you kidding me? Okay. All right. Enough of this crazy stuff here. What the hell is going on here? Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? That's what I'm gonna do. If Nasdaq wants to play this game, I can play this game too. If it starts to drop, I'll be ready. I'll be ready. Doesn't this have a name? Seek and destroy. Yeah, it's not exactly a seek and destroy, but I know what you're saying, Naomi. Seek and destroy would be... Yeah, I mean, the seek and destroy would be by now at this hour. We're getting closer to 11 a.m. So it would have gone down already and then back up there. So at least one round, vice versa, by the end of the kill zone. But it can still do this. Even if we want to call it seek and destroy, it should be taking out that 72 level as the London low. I'm not confident now in this long position. I see some good targets, promising levels up there. And this one here is technically the classic ICT 2022 entry model. Sweeping liquidity, we have some good rejections, displacement, fair value gap, good targets up there. So that's why I took it. And obviously we went into the zone, and after mitigating the zone again, there's a probability to go in the opposite direction. But as I said, I am super aggressive on evaluation accounts. That's why I'm doing all this crazy stuff here. Maybe I shouldn't, but I try to stay within like the limits of the micros. Sometimes go a little bit above 10 micro, like 15, but I try to do this. If it takes the elevator down, I'm gonna get stopped out at 85.75 and should be engaging immediately to the nice short, and because then the only logical step in my understanding would be to sweep the London low if it starts to take the elevator, which I think it will. I don't know. I recommend Metallica Seek and Destroy. Well, we're stuck in the middle here, and I just don't like this. I might even close this long position. We are congested down into 1 point. We should see a break to the high or to down somewhere. We still have a little bit more than 5 minutes from the macro and the new hour, so we should see some kind of a move here in about 6 minutes or 7 minutes. My gut feeling tells me I should close this. I mean, it's only 3 micro, so shouldn't be concerned about it. If it would start to go, then I am so confident that it should be going all the way up there to 39. That's the minimum it should go to if it would start to go higher than, you know, breaking these levels. What's up with the microphone? Okay, it's good. So the contingency plan here is to jump into a wild west short on the drop. Time will tell. I made peace with the outcome. Well, not 100%, but as much as I could. Dario is here. Oh my gosh. Dario is in the building. Hey. Welcome. Good to see you again. Where have you been? Where have you been? Oh, I feel like here comes the drop. Yeah, here comes the drop. Oh, nice. Need some isolation. Oh, I see. You know what? Sometimes that is a very good idea. Sometimes we all need to do that. So I totally get it, and I think you're doing good. Nice. That's good. That is good. I'm more and more convinced that we're gonna just drop down and take the London low. All right, closing that. Getting ready to jump into a crazy scalp here to the downside. Crazy scalp here. All right. In it. For Jesus, don't do this now. What the hell? Immediately? Come on. What about the drop? Okay. I get it. Finger on the close button here. Oh man. I have to kill this. Already left it too far to go. Pulling back, yeah. Oh man, what's it gonna be? My finger is on the close button still. Let's see that London low, come on. Let's just see that London low. I mean, it's good. On the funded accounts, I only traded one funded account. So I'm starting to focus on these new take profit trader accounts. So, and usually on Friday, I try not to touch the funded accounts too much. You know. It's hard to enter, yeah. Dude, what is happening here? Why is it not taking the lows here? Shorted from 57 inversion, trailed it down. Which coin is that? Which coin? I don't know. Come on, man. What's it doing? I have to put a hard stop on this. Are we breaking that London low or what? Finally. Still, I could have done better. I messed up the whole thing. But now that the London low has been taken, I would be very glad if finally we could see a shift. All right, now I am definitely looking for the market to reverse. Looking for the market to reverse here. All right. Maybe this is the one. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Maybe this is the one that we're looking for. I don't want to jinx it, but you know what? I'm jumping in with 2 micros here. I'm gonna add 1 more micro if it goes lower. And I'm targeting first target would be, oh man, I really wanted to add to this position. If it goes back down to 89, I'm adding 1 more micro, I think. I'm gonna add 1 more. That would be a reasonable size for the stop and for the target as well. But I want to take partial here, so if it's not gonna go back down, just keeps on going, then I'm still gonna take partial up here. Target indecision candle for me if it works. Yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Man, I really wanted to add more size to this, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm also trying not to build. I mean, not to build. It's too late for that, but reduce my bad habits on trading. So try to not go that much crazy on my evaluation accounts. All right, I'm putting in a buy limit order at 89.25, and that's gonna be it for sizing this position. DCAing, degenerate DCAing here. Oh, it's not going down there for it. Okay, that's fine. It's not picking up that order. It's not picking that up. Oh man, the train might left the station without me. It picked up orders just with 1 tick. Might just gonna keep continuing higher, but doesn't matter. Actually, what I might do is I might put the TP higher. Greed. You know, greed. Greed is good. No, it's actually not always good. But what is happening here? All right, going down again. Do you feel any sort of emotions? Oh yeah, I do, Nintendo. A lot of emotions. A lot. I have to find that sweet spot. What is that balance in terms of maximum risk or tolerance? What I can still bear with emotionally, and on a funded account, that level on a daily drawdown on a single account is somewhere above $500 or $600 for me. So if one of my funded accounts goes down about $600, I start to feel that confusion or pain in my chest, like, oh shit, I messed something up. I know if I'm down 600, I made something stupid. I'm sure about that. And then I start to feel something not good. So what I can do, I have to stop myself. Obviously, I'm having trouble doing that. I have to stop myself at that level. Even if I feel the urge to continue to trade, I need to move to a different account. And that's difficult. That is difficult, in my opinion. All right, my order might gonna get picked up here from the lower gap. A bigger point moves for the same percentages, so I'd size for 80 point stop out. That's also good. Okay, I think I just got myself into the trade with this other order. All right, my risk is going to be down there, about $100, a little bit more than 100, and my take profit is up there. I don't really like this, to be honest. I'm not liking this at all. Like, the more I look at it, it seems like to me that it can just take the stairs and slowly grind down again. But not sure. That's all my risk. That's the maximum risk I'm willing to take on this trade. It doesn't seem strong enough. It's not. It doesn't look like it's just gonna skyrocket right now or something. Oh man, what's going on here? What is going on here? Bigger points. I'm here. Motherfucker, hey there. Hey, no problem with the caps there. How you doing, man? Good to see you. What is happening? How are you? Nice to see you again. You're in longs? Well, as you can see, I'm also in a long position here. So, yeah, we're in this together. We are in this together. From 72. Oh, you're good, man. Oh, that's kind of a turtle soup entry or something. Whew. 2111. You mean 22? That is awesome. That is awesome. Dude, that is awesome. Beautiful entry. Yeah. The overall trend is bullish. What do you think? We take out the top? I don't know if we take out the top, but I have a strong confidence that we are returning to this gap here. My take profit is higher at 47. I might going to take off partial, like maybe 2. I have 3 micros here, but I might gonna take 2 micros off at 37-ish and leave a runner. But I am confident that if this goes like this, then that this gap should be taken out. Are we taking out the top? I don't know. Depends on the time factor. You know, we're just in the well, we'll still have time on. We'll guys. I can't speak today. I'm getting tired. We still have time until the lunch hour, and we'll see. Usually, Friday PM sessions can actually hold a good rally. You know, like a good bullish rally to the upside. Motherfucker is 100% sure. So look at the 4 hour. I would say the low-hanging fruit would be that that gap which I showed. Oh yeah, we have fair value gap here. We have this nice little top. Yeah, yeah. How is ES doing? ES also pushing it. ES is also pushing it. Yeah, looks bullish. Looks bullish. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking too, motherfucker. It could take like maybe up until the PM session or whatever, like at least until like 1 or 2 p.m. for this one to slowly grind its way up there, if that's the plan. That's why I feel confident about this level. Now, obviously, it can do crazy stuff like it does like this, some sideways, and then go up. So get ready, it can happen. You know, lunch hour. Maybe as you can see, we entering the lunch hour, and maybe it will skyrocket this one up. And until the lunch hour, we can just go sideways. Who knows? You know, it's a bit difficult. So far, it's looking okay. Yeah, we chopped a lot. We chopped a lot. Exactly. I want to see some speed in this one as well. This should be low resistance. This level, that 37 ish. Once it gets going here, then this 37, 39 ish. What's the high there? 38.50. That should be low resistance liquidity. Or not? Am I wrong? I don't know. Where can you DM me? You can send me yeah, Twitter. My Twitter is this one down here, Tom Sabo Biz. You can find it, or in the link somewhere in my socials on the website. You can find my Twitter. Absolutely. I think you sent me a message earlier sometime, maybe. Not sure. I have so many messages, I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. I haven't seen it. Oh, really? Ooh, I have so many. You sent it now? Mm. Oh, okay, I see you there. All right. Oh, all right, I see you there. Okay. Yeah, I have so many messages to being accepted or to accept. I wasn't sure, but the name sounds familiar. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see. Actually, I am going to. Easy to remember. Easy to remember this code. Yeah, sure, motherfucker. Just take your time. I'll be watching this trade here. So, TikTok is good. TikTok is well established since years. They're paying out people, so they are good. Absolutely. They are absolutely good. Rob the Scalper is here. Hey, Rob. Good to see you. Have you? I haven't blocked you. I was streaming. I was streaming. I'm streaming every day on weekdays. Rob, put that bell icon on and put my channel on your bookmarks somewhere. Rob the Macedonian sounded. I knew. I mean, I was familiar with that. Oh, for all channels, I see. Nice, nice, nice. How you doing, Rob, nowadays? What's happening in Macedonia? Man, I want to go there. Listen, if I go there, please take me to some place where we can eat some very traditional Macedonian food. I'm already super hungry for some traditional Macedonian dishes. You know, I want to try it out. YouTube is always messing up the algo. All right, motherfucker. No promises here, but I'm gonna hold this trade as much as I can. It will make you get some. Yeah, maybe. We have to plan the trip. You're in Germany. I totally. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Hey, summer is good for me. I like to take some road trip. Don't worry. You don't have to pick me up. I drive by myself. I mean, I take my girlfriend and we're gonna, camp out and eat some good food there. But if any time you're around here, let me know. We're going higher still. Not yet. Put it to break even and just leave it. VWAP, breakthrough or rejection. Let's see. Yeah, I don't even have the VWAP on there, but oh yeah, here it is, right above this price range. Could be interesting. Yeah, I think it should go. I'm going to set up the limit orders here. I'm gonna set up the limit order there. Limit order there. And I'm gonna leave one runner. I'm just gonna put it. For now, I'm just gonna put it up there. All right, moving my stop, reducing risk. That's it. That is it. First gap here. This one. This. And now let's pray. J stopped at VWAP, but 10k tick MACD is rising, so it may break. Now let's see what's gonna happen here. You know what actually I could do? I You want to learn how to use the VWAP. I actually never used the VWAP. I never implemented into any of my entry model or strategy. I know that institutional players are also looking at it. It's very important levels. I know that. But order flow also, that's important. But I never used it since I dived into this, smart money concept thing. It doesn't mean that it's not good. I mean, obviously, people making tons of profits with it. I'm just not using it. Learn to anchor the VWAP. They are the real deal. All right. Acts like a magnet for the price, so opening a position next to it is a bit risky. Yeah, I heard about it. Like, if you have it on, so I have the two bands, the upper band here and the lower band. So, for example, if you're up here, opening sell positions could be a good sell position. True, right? You don't say. And down here as well. So someone told me that using these upper and lower bands are actually a very good thing for buy and sell entries. But if you're very close to the middle, like the main line, then it's risky. Obviously, everybody is targeting the middle. But I never really used it, but it could be a good indicator. Maybe I'm gonna dive into it later. Who knows? I'm always open for ideas to fine tune the entry model. That was the suggestion, Nintendo. I would use the upper and the lower bands and look for buys and sells in that area. And then you can look for specific candle formations, maybe for exact entry points. I think that could be a good thing. I'll just use it in conjunction with the. Thank you. I see, Jay. We whop. And she's profitable. It's like Cool Whip. We whop. It's the same like Cool Whip. After having read here, my top three indicators are. Oh, wait. I see. Okay. What is the name of the indicator? It's called VWAP. Let me show you. VWAP. VWAP. If you type it in to indicators, VWAP. I don't know which one I have, to be honest. Basically, this is it. Volume weighted average price. Volume weighted average price. The one I have is the VWAP AA Auto HLC3 standard deviation. I don't even know which one is that. VWAP AA. No. HL. No. I don't know. Anyway, there's a ton. The bands are in there. So the bands are included. So if I click on it, I can just, I can make them disappear. Like boom. Bands multiplier. And you can adjust a lot of things, That's it. Calculation mode is standard, whatever it means. Length is 14. Source HLC3. That's all I know about the VWAP, but anyway. Oh, looks like we're going for now. Patience. Do not overtrade and price action. Trade what you see. Oh yeah, I like the concept. You know, like in Top Gun Maverick. Trade what you see, not what you think. You know, I'm 90% confident that we're gonna take 38. 95% confident actually that we're gonna take the 38. The question is it gonna pull back down a little bit more before that? But I'm very confident that 38 is gonna happen or should be happening. Congratulations, motherfucker. Yeah. And for the anchor VWAP, there is a button already in the tools tab in TradingView. I see. I never tried it, but this is Quant Tower. What you see here, I just switched back to see what's going on. To see what is going on. And by the way, guys, if you can help me out, please push the like button and, you know, help me out with the stream. Let's show the YouTube algorithm that, you know, we're here. So thank you, guys. No. Hey, Domfinity, I took a break. I was live in the London session, and then I opened the stream again at the market open here in New York at 9:30. So, you know, my P&L, I made about $200 on one of my funded accounts. I haven't traded the others because it's just Friday. I was waiting for a good setup in London. It didn't happen, so the price action was not so good. And since it's Friday, on Friday I barely trade on my funded account. So I started to work on these new Take Profit Trader account. So I thought that I'll try to go with a little bit of evaluations. I really want to have that funded account from Take Profit Trader. Thank you, Dumpfinity. Thank you. Reactions in the chat are also, oh, definitely, yeah. You end up 5K. That's how you print money. I took the 10 a.m. shorts. Oh, nice. Been a rough past 2 weeks. Oh, the first week of January started out very good for me, but then something happened. Something that I thought is impossible, but it happened anyway. You destroyed me, Mr. Anderson. Oh, no, that's the Matrix. So anyway, it was interesting. Second good setup in 2 weeks. Nice. Yeah. For me, the worst couple of weeks was December. Before Christmas, I was literally suffering from the very end of November until before Christmas. Like, obviously everybody stopped trading then. Was the worst for me from the past year, I would say so. I mean, I was suffering left and right, especially in the London session. It was full BS, the London session. What works really was using MACD on 5. MACD on 5 minute. Oh, 10,000 tick charts. Okay. So it's a good filter, I guess. That's good. Yeah. October was horrible. December. Yeah, my best month was October. Interesting. My best month was October from last year. And profit-wise as well, but altogether my worst month was December. I burned all my funded accounts. I had to start from scratch in December. No payouts. I was pretty much my mind was not really focused. I was a little bit all over the place, and I don't know. The problem is that Christmas always puts me under some stress and pressure. Well, I mean, it's not just about honesty. It's just the reality. Like December is complicated, I think, for everybody. But hey, I haven't had a payout in between February and July last year. Zero payouts from trading from like February, March. Yeah, from February until June, there was no payouts. I was suffering, but still, emotionally, I was mostly down in December. I'm still trying to recover, but at least we had some payouts. I'm already requested 4 new payouts from Apex and looking to build the new MyFundedFutures accounts, and I'm aiming to get the Take Profit Trader funded account. Yeah, let's go, motherfucker. I wish the same to you, man. 100k payout to everybody or more. That would be the minimum. To cop 10 evals on Apex in March. Nice. Yeah. Thank you. If you think about me, I'm gonna think about you. Thank you for using the code. But yeah, the code works there. Yes, I'm having a few funded accounts from Apex. I'm willing to trade with them in the future, so I'm trying not to listen to the FUD or anything. I know quite a few people want Apex to go down, but so far they have been paying out for those who were trading by the rules. So wanted to full port on 7th February, but I have to travel. Oh, I see. What's your model? Like, do you use macro? Yeah, I mean, not specifically entering. I acknowledge the macros. I respect the macro time. So in terms of might be shifting price or anything. Basically, I trade smart money concepts or ICT, but I'm always saying this and I keep repeating it forever, and I will. It's not a problem. I'm not a cult member. I'm not an ICT cult member. I'm not praying to Michael. I'm not sleeping. Like I'm not dreaming with ICT Michael Huddleston. So I'm not a member of the cult. But I do learn a lot from his videos. So, and there's a lot of concepts. The core of my entry is the YouTube 2022 entry model, but in the past couple of weeks and month, I'm combining it with order blocks on the 5 and the 15-minute time frames as targets. I call them now supply and demand zones as well because they're basically almost the same. So I'm trying to carve out my own ways. And so yeah, basically the breakers and the order blocks. And I do try to see like the price, the time delivery as well. So I'm trying to look for the kill zones, the macros, like what's happening. You know, it's basically simple. Like, I think we can say that price is just taking liquidity from one pocket to another pocket, and that's it. That's what it's all about. So once you figure out when it's done with sweeping the liquidity, for example, down here, then you just have to figure out how far does it want to deliver that specific amount of orders. It seems like to me right now that this one will unload some orders above 38. What's gonna happen after that, I don't know. So motherfucker has the degen model. 100% win rate. Let's go. I'm just asking, what is your model like? Looking for, and what's the entry drill? Okay, so what I'm looking for is a sweep of liquidity a reversal, and I'm looking for a proper zone to target. Like it could be a fair value gap, it could be an order block. By the way, it's not ICT, it's me who's saying from experience. Order blocks are most of the time order blocks are meant to be broken. I'm saying that, or revisited or mitigated. So I'm saying this, for example, if this is not a proper order block, but bearish order block. Here's the bullish push. So the neckline of the with the candle body starts at 48. If this would be a proper order block with no swing high before that, that would be a high probability to be revisited at 48. And I use the order blocks as targets. But I also call these supply zones or demand zones because almost identical, almost the same. So that's what all the cult members saying. Kirk, come on, man. Come on. Sweet Dreams of Michael is made of tears. Yeah. Took the 2022 model shorts at 10 a.m. Tuesday. Absolutely cook, bro. Oh, look back at Tuesday 10 a.m. Let you know. Tuesday 10 a.m. Just a second. Price is there again. When do you plan break even? I think now it should be a good idea. I'm gonna check that 10 a.m. just a second. 93. All right, move to break even. So Tuesday, Friday. Do I have enough data subscription? Tuesday 10 a.m. Here you go. Yeah, this is nice. Taking liquidity. Shifting structure multiple times. Repricing the gap. Fifth tool here. 61.8. Go short. Stop up there. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Boom. Perfect. Very nice entry. If you took a similar entry like this. Oh no, my trade is going to the dumpster. Jesus. So if you took a similar entry like this, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh no, the trade is going to the dumpster. I was so sure that we're gonna revisit that level. You just said it. You had to say it out. And the trade is gonna go in the opposite direction. Actually, the first fair value gap reversed that pretty nicely. Oh, well, this is trading, ladies and gentlemen. This is trading. Oh, oh man, it took quite a while to get there, and now it takes only a few minutes to sweep everything. Well, it was a nice run, ladies and gents. Oh my god, this is actually funny. This is funny. It's gonna go lower. Well, we tried, you know. At least we tried. Brutal. Yeah, that's it. All right, out at break even from this trade. What can we do? What happened really? The first fair value gap. What a reaction. What a reaction. And I don't understand why. What was there some kind of a news event or something? What was the drop here? 40 points instantly. Look at that. It took me out and now it's going to reverse. This is unreal. But hey, it's Friday. It's Friday. I wasn't. What was happening on the 15? Nothing. Alright, I see what's happening. But hey, we can still wait for the rally here. Give them nothing and take everything. No prisoners. Hey, Ireza, what's up? Yeah, market structure shift to downside. That's what's happening. You know, what if we will see a huge sell-off? There's that new day opening gap from which day it was? I don't know. There's a big gap below. I don't even know, 800 or something. We might go there. This is why a soup, yeah, is alive. A super AI knowing all thing. Oh, definitely. Tested the M15 fairly gap and down. I got stop hunted. Stairs, step up, elevator down fast. This was typically stairs up, elevator down. And now I have a feeling that it wants to make a new low. I don't know if I want to scalp it. I'm a little bit tempted to scalp the lows. I might get on tilt. Scalping it a little bit, just a little bit. And I'm gonna add one more to this. It's an evaluation account, that's why I'm doing crazy stupid things here. Actually the low, yeah, it did go lower. Okay. If it's gonna bounce, I'm just gonna leave it and that's it. Maybe. Don't tell me it's bouncing. It's bouncing. Well, jumped in to chase it. You guys saw me doing that live on stream. Don't tell anyone. My finger is on the close button here. Oh man, it was so easy just to drop down a few more points. This market. There is one more low, maybe? Not sure. Dude, this is unbelievable. Alright, I'm stupid, I know. Of course. Alright, get some liquidity up there. Still alright, the drawdown is still good. Okay. Took some liquidity. Okay, now please continue with the drop. Alright. This is gonna be very, very, very crazy what I do here. I might add a little bit more and see if it drops through. Come on. Just drop. Take out the low, man. Finish the job. Finish the job. Finish the job. All right, that's it. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. All right. I just gave back the profits that we worked so hard. Well, I'm super stupid. Anyway, I think I gave back all the profits. Well, left with 125. Good job, Tom. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. That's how you do it. Yeah. Let me read what's happening. Yes, market F with you today. You locked yourself account is now happening. Whoa. This is happening. Oh. Yeah, this was a real nice short. Man, I'm still tempted to jump into a short. I'm not gonna do it. Curious now if it is going to take the low. It might not. I'm not surprised on anything anymore. Secure 200 plus on 5 accounts. That is excellent. That is excellent, Reza. That is absolutely a great achievement there. Look at this mother tucker. Now it's going down. All right, entered again. All right, what I'm doing now is absolute crazy. It doesn't really want to drop. All right, I'm closing it. It's not dropping. It's not dropping. I leave it alone. I messed up the profits. I was sitting in some nice trades, and this is how I mess up. So that's it. I'm not touching it. Yeah. Yo, Ollie, what's up? Glad you dropped in. Yeah, everybody's spending their wife's makeup money. It's lunch and they said, all right, pull the plug. Yeah, something like that, Naomi. Something like that happened. They said, all right, pull it. Just pull the plug. Yeah. And now it's just going to take out the low. No, 10 micro, 10 micro, 10 micro. I'm not control. I'm not. I'm just laughing. Yeah, I was in a long, but then I got taken out break even, and I just gave back the most of the profits by trying to scalp this drop. I thought that is gonna finish the job, but it didn't. On the 5 minute, well, it could be, you know, repricing this drop here. 50% level is not 100% accurate, but somewhere around here. So that means it should be picking up. I mean, there has to be some kind of a news event. What happened? What was the The issue. Trump was speaking? Trump is speaking. So that was the issue. Trump was speaking. He said something, I think. Right? He said something.
I hate to tell you, North Carolina, if FEMA kicked 2,000 North Carolina.
Anyway. Oh, look at that. Jeez. I'm trying to scalp it again. To take that low. It's not taking it. Man. Unbelievable. Unfreakish believable. I just let it go with 3 minis. Now I got full tilted. So I'm full tilted now, so not touching the funded accounts, no way. I'm full tilt currently. Take care, Reza. Thanks for dropping in. Yeah. You're leaving also. See you later. Yeah, I'm tilted now. This is me tilted. Used to do this on evaluation accounts, unfortunately. Oh, come on. I don't know what the Nasdaq wants to do here, but yeah, DCAing. Yeah. Full on to tilt. Oh yeah, it's gonna happen now. Well, account is ready to be blown here. Jesus. Account is ready to be blown. Alright, almost blown. Just a little bit more. Down 1500. That is what it is. Yeah, it's an eval. Take profit trader eval. Almost blown. Almost blown. Almost blown. Get ready. And it's... Come on. Almost gone. Should be gone now. And it's gone. Account is blown officially. Alright, account has been blown officially. That is what it is. Alright. That was a good session. Yeah, the account is blown. It has been blown, as you can see up there. There she blows. Good morning, Paul. Yeah, so it was evaluation. Interesting. I don't know what the deal was here. I think it was because of something Trump said. I'm not sure. What's the mid-level of this drop, by the way? It's still up there. I'll bring it a little bit down. Yeah, it can still go up to 203. I'm not even sure. Oh, I don't even have it on. I deleted that. Yeah, I did. I reversed it. I thought we were gonna go to the 50% level, you know, to pick up liquidity from this 1 minute gap. And we didn't. It is what it is. I wonder if it's going to try to reprice this drop, at least partially, or is this just gonna go and make some new lows? That would be interesting. It's going to FEMA. Uh-oh. The market has a way of making it feel personal. Oh yeah, it does. It definitely does. So I'm not sure what the market wants right now. I thought we're gonna see some repricing action here, but it might continue to drop. The high on that's 998. Might want to take liquidity from the 15-minute gap. Yeah, there is liquidity at 997. So who knows? Interesting that how we ended up in the midnight level. So back to square one basically for the day. There is a 5-minute candle. The high is at 998, and also the 15-minute candle has a gap at the same level, so that's 998. That's on. That's both on the micro and the mini. Oh yeah, the market wants it before the weekend. I wish I would know what the market is doing. We're still in the lunch hour, right? Yeah, we're still. And 998 up there. I'm not sure. Let's see what the Financial Juice website says. Trump freezes energy department spending and loans. Interesting. I don't know if that means anything. I mean, for index futures. Picking pockets. Yeah, that's what it do. Day's good, shenanigan. I'm actually up on a funded account, but I just blown an evaluation account at Take Profit Trader. Yeah. Right now, I'm also chopped myself up on an eval. I went on tilt on this drop because I was sitting in a nice trade. I just couldn't, get through emotionally on the struggle. And so it is what it is. What can we do, What can we do? I was trying to figure out which direction is it want to go to. Is it going to pick liquidity from the 15-minute gap, or are we taking the elevator to the lows? We're right at the midnight area here, and we're in the lunch hour. Yes, so lunch hour usually tends to take liquidity from certain levels, I think. At least that's what I heard or what I've seen, but not really sure. Yeah, this is tough. This is definitely tough, but we just have to take it as it is. The good news is that the other Take Profit Trader account is up. So this one is the other Take Profit Trader evaluation account, which I was trading hindsight in secrecy, scalping this mess. So I just made $600 on scalping. So F you, NQ. But no, no more stupid things, because Take Profit Trader accounts are pricier anyway. So I'm gonna leave this account as it is. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna switch to maybe a Tick Trader account. Yeah, Ashebs. So the one you see up there, this one has not been blown. This is also a Take Profit Trader eval. I might gonna buy one more here. I'm not sure. The thing is that I messed up my mindset pretty much right now, and I think the best would be not to trade. I made profit on the MyFundedFutures funded accounts. I requested 4 payouts today from Apex, so I'm doing great. And looking for more payouts. The Bulenox account is everything is looking good. The only thing that messes me up right now is that I blown an evaluation account with Take Profit Trader. And I really wanted to go for those highs up there. I was looking for that 0.45. You know what? I think it might just gonna go higher. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna jump in. 2 micros. 38. I'm gonna add one more to the position. So here's the trade. If it comes back down, let me see. Okay, this is gonna be the stop for now. And if it comes back down, I'm gonna add to it and gonna target a little bit higher with the rest of the positions. This should be what we normally do. I mean, this was Trump here. I don't like Trump now. This jumped already out in profit. Let's go micro scalp. That's how you do it, man. Go for it. I'm still liking that 38 up there. I think it's a good level. This is how we get banned from No, Tudor, I don't think, like, depends on how many contracts you're opening the position with, you know. I don't think that you're gonna be banned just like that, you know. If you have a proper strategy and, you know, depends on those, how many seconds you're holding that trade, how many, you know, ticks are you going for? 4 micros. That's cool. 4 micros is good, and you know, try to aim for like minimum 5 to 6 or even higher, obviously more than 5 or 6 points if you can. Then you should be fine everywhere. Because if you go for lower, the commission is going to kill your account anyway. So you should be going for more. Okay, we're a little bit stuck here. I think the algorithm still wants to push it up there. I think the plan is the same. Oh no. Come on. Is he still talking? Oh. Is he still talking or what? Jesus. Alright. Let's go on tilt. Let's try to scalp it. This time it could be finishing the job down there. Maybe not. What's happening? Come on. What's up with that 72? It should be finished up by now. And by the way, we have a lower level, the 70 to be exact, so I don't know what's the drill. Come on, just go for it then. Finally, thank you. Oh my god. Is he still talking? Somebody tell me when Trump is going home and take a nap pill or something. Just, you know, have some lunch or take a drink or go somewhere else. Just don't talk to people. Somebody tell him. Somebody tell Trump to do something else. It's Friday. Take a rest, you know. Go and take some pills and some drinks and enjoy the rest of the day. Don't talk to people. Trump is talking to everybody somewhere along the way, somewhere in Washington. I'm sure he's talking now. Or not. There it is. Was he talking? I don't know. Bear flag. It is. I think, you know, maybe this would be a sign for me to stop, you know, like they said in Casino in the movie, like they want you to stop. No. I think tell him to stop. I don't want to end up in a bad mood. I'm still feeling awesome. I think the day is awesome. You guys are awesome, and the ladies too. I'm feeling super awesome. So I don't want to mess up this. Yeah, tutor. Yeah. Exactly. I think that's what I'm going to do. So everybody, before I do something stupid I will regret, I think I'm going to end it here. Blown 1 evaluation with Take Profit Trader. The other one is up 700. The only thing I blown up the other Take Profit Trader evaluation is because I was acting up stupid. The plan, as I was following up the trade before that, everything was fine. So I was following up the plan until the point where I got tilted. I don't know, have to work on myself. But I was not touching the funded accounts in this session. I'm up on a MyFundedFutures account. I'm going to do a recap video because yesterday I forgot to do one. It's going to be a special recap video. You will see why. And requested 4 payouts. Super happy. Every account looking good. So that's it. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support throughout the week. Don't forget, today is the last day to get the Tick Trader discount on the instant funded accounts. TomSabo250 is the code. In the description you will find it. $250 discount on the instant funded account. And Take Profit Trader, no daily loss limit, instant payouts as well, daily payouts. Check them out. Use the code if you would like to support the channel. MyFundedFutures, 20% off from starter plus 50k, or 40% if you're brand new, and the rest of them as well. If you would like to support, please use the codes and the links. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I wish you all the best. Take care. Stay healthy. Eat some good food. And see you guys and ladies and gentlemen on Monday. All right. God bless you all.